Hi viewers, this is Victor Godfrey and welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to generate fast sales for your affiliate products, which could either be products you're promoting either from Clickbank or from JVZoo or from any other affiliate platform whose products you're promoting. And without wasting much of your time, I'd like to go straight down to the point. The first step will be for us to sign up into an affiliate program, then choose a product to promote. So we could decide to start with Clickbank, and this is Clickbank. So if you don't have a Clickbank account, all you need to do here is to sign up and create one for yourself. And if you do, all you need to do is just go straight to login section, which I'm about to do right now. So here I'm going to sign in into my Clickbank account. So having done that, it brings us to this page, and I'll go straight to the marketplace. This particular icon is the affiliate marketplace, where I'll be able to select any product I want to promote. So right now we are on this particular page, the categories page. Then I'm going to select a category of products to promote. So I'm going to scroll down. Most times I like going on the health and fitness category, and this is it here. So I'm going to click on the health and fitness category. So right here now, this is where we'll have different products to promote. So I usually like to search for the products to promote based on gravity, not based on popularity. So I'm going to click here and select gravity here. So now these are a list of products that we could decide to choose and start selling or start promoting. So I'm going to choose a particular product here. Let me scroll down. Okay. I'm still trying to see for a particular product I could decide to promote. Okay, I've seen a product to promote. So I've decided to go with this particular product that says Cinderella Solution. And guys, there's another thing I would like you guys to know. If you're about selecting a product to promote, always look out for a product that has an affiliate page like this. So what this affiliate page does is that it actually provides you with all the tools that will enable you to sell this product effectively. It could give you email swipes. It can also provide you with templates or ad text or even banners, which you can actually use. So let me click on this icon here, this affiliate page for this product that I've selected to promote. So we can see some of the resources we can use in promoting this particular product. So I'm going to open it on another tab here, and this is it. So guys, for this product I've decided to promote, this is a product here. And this is the affiliate resources. You can actually, they provided us with banners. If we click on the banner section here, so these are some banners we can actually use for this, to promote this product if we want to. It also gives us video pages for Facebook, we could use for our Facebook ads. We can also, I'm also trying to scroll down so you'll see other tools or resources that is available for us to utilize. So we also have the email swipe, which is very, very effective. So if you click on this email swipe, so it gives you the emails that could go out on the very first day, or the first email, second email, third email. So this is a very valuable resources we can actually use in promoting this particular product effectively. So now we've covered the first step, which is we've actually found a product to promote. And not just finding a product to promote, we've also seen the affiliate resources we could use. Then before then, there's one more thing. Before we go about promoting a product, we'll also need to generate our link or our affiliate link for that product, which we will be sharing out or giving out. So this is the, and for you to generate that particular link, you just have to click on this promote button here, which I'm going to do right away. So if you do that, you come over to this section and input your link or your nickname for using opening up your Clickbank account. Then you click on this generate hop link here, and once you do that, it's definitely going to provide you with your affiliate link for this product that is unique to you. So this is my affiliate link for this product. So I'm going to copy it, highlight it and copy it, and also want to show you guys what this page actually looks like. So this is the page I'll be sending traffic to, and so this is what people see. This is my affiliate page here. Once people send traffic, people click on that link, this is where they come to. So let me, so you can see they'll actually be able to watch the presentation, what the product is all about. And again, sometimes too, some people might prefer to read, they don't want to watch the video, so they could just click here, prefer to read. And once they click on this section, this is what happens. So it brings them to this page where they can be able to read without watching the videos. And guys, this is what this product is all about. It's a weight loss product. So, and our target will basically be those that actually wants to lose weight. And you can see it's like this product is specifically designed for women. As you can see, most of the images here has to do with women or ladies. So guys, we've covered the first step, which is to find a product to promote, and we've also generated our affiliate marketing link for this product. So having done that, the second step will be for us to create a system that will enable us to make these sales. And this involves creating an opt-in page to capture the data of our prospects before sending them to our sales page. And I'll also be leaving a link below the video description so you can access the same tool I use in creating my own opt-in page. So let me show you guys a typical example of what I did with this particular product, because I didn't just start promoting this product. What I did, I went straight ahead, just like I said in the second step, and created an opt-in page whereby I'll be able to capture the data, the names and email addresses of my prospect, so that with that I can also be able to now start marketing them either other products, and also start sending them follow-up messages in respect to this product. So let me show you guys the tool I used and the affiliate market, the opt-in page actually created in order for me to be able to market this product. So guys, I use this particular product or this particular business tool called Builder All, and this is Builder All here. With this particular tool, you can build different kinds of landing pages. You can use it for different purposes. There's so many things you can actually use this particular platform for, but I use this particular tool here called the Cheetah Drag and Drop Website Builder. So I use this particular tool to create a landing page or an opt-in page for this product that I've decided to promote. And this is the product, the opt-in page I actually created. This is what I created, and I use this caption that says, discover how to supercharge your body metabolism using this transformational cheat code. So what this does is this: I'm not sending them straight to this affiliate page, because if I should send them straight to this affiliate page, I won't be able to capture their information, and I cannot be able to market subsequent products to them that are relevant to what they are searching for. So the best strategy is always, to capture their email address here, and once they come to this page, input their email. Let me decide to test it out and put their email, and let's say my name is Victor, and they put in. So once they click in here, it takes them straight to this page. So right now we've achieved two things. I've captured their email, their details, and right now they are right on my affiliate page where they can be able to see this product. So most times it's been proven that most times people that get to your affiliate page don't make purchases right away. Sometimes they do, but majority don't. So that is also the essence of, using the email to capture their email so that you can subsequently start sending them follow-up emails. And remember, I also told you that it's always good for you to, market products that already provided you with some affiliate page, some resources you could use. So remember last time when we checked this particular product, it gave us some email swipes we can use to market this product. So once I've captured their emails, some of these emails will now start going out on the scheduled day. Then again, I'm also going to leave a link below this video description so you can be able to access this particular tool and start using it to create your landing pages, and also start utilizing other tools on that particular platform, on this platform, for the various business purposes you will be needing. So guys, now we've completed the second step, which is we've created a system that we're able to capture their emails and then send them to our affiliate product. Now, how do we do the marketing? How do we get people? So remember that I told you guys that the essence of this video is to show you how to start generating sales pretty fast for whatever affiliate product you're promoting. So for the purposes of this particular video training, we'll be using a traffic source, and it's going to be a paid traffic source called solo ads. So how do we do solo ads? I'm going to show you guys the traffic source you're going to use and where to get the best solo ads you can start using right away and start sending traffic to your affiliate product. Not just the affiliate product, start sending traffic to our landing page where we'll be able to capture their details and start email marketing them as well, and also sending them to our sales page. So guys, we'll be using this particular platform called Udimi, and here we'll be able to find solo ad sellers that we can be able to purchase solo ad from them. And what that simply means are these are marketers that have a large email list, email subscriber list, that we can actually decide to use their services so that they can be able to send our affiliate product to their email list. Then from there, those that are interested will definitely purchase from us. And apart from that, so we'll also use this particular platform to build our own email list so that we can also start, by the time they opt in into our opt-in page or our landing pages, then we also start marketing them through our own automated email responses that we will have created at the back end. So once you get to this platform, this is my own account anyway. So by the time you get to this platform, all you need to do, you come to this particular section that says find sellers. Then you click on find sellers. Now it's going to give you a list of different solo ad provider or solo ad sellers here. So if you scroll down, you see there are so many of them, so many marketers here selling solo ad emails you can decide to use. But there's a way too you can also filter this. You know, if you look at the age here, it shows you the number of solo ads this guy have sold. This guy, over 907 people actually gave him a thumbs up, while 2 people were not satisfied with his services, but overall over 907 people actually bought his services and are satisfied. Then here too, you see 43 people actually have, are satisfied with his services. Wherever you see a thumbs up and the red simply means negation, those that were not satisfied. Then the green here shows you the number of those that are satisfied. So this guy too has over 439 certified customers that use his services, and they like what they got, while 1 person was dissatisfied. Then another thing you need to do is, if you want to reach out to any one of them or try to use any one of them for your email marketing or to purchase solo ads rather from them. So all you need to do, you just click on the individual. So let's decide to go with this. This guy is selling 1 solo ad for 65 cents. This one is selling for 42 cents. Then again, something you need to look out for. I only buy solo ads from people or from marketers that sell only top tier traffic. So like this particular guy now says he has high quality top tier traffic with 100% tier 1 countries. And this tier 1 country simply means the advanced countries or the rich countries that have a larger purchasing power that can be able to patronize you. So ideally, I would want to go with this guy. So let's click on this guy and check his services out. So you can see this is his page here. So if you want to contact this guy right now, here again is a section whereby you can actually choose the number of solo ads you want to buy. So you could go as far as much as you want, which means more money that you're going to pay. It's like his maximum is 975 visitors, and that is going to cost you $413. Then if you decide to go lower, let's say what his minimum is 100, and that's going to be for $45. So whatever thing you want to try out, you can start up with. So like now you want to send him a message, or you want to provide a message or the content you want him to send down to his email list. So what I'm going to do here, I'll go straight back to my landing page. And copy this particular text here for my landing page, which I've done. Then I'll go back to the solo ad guide, and I might decide to, paste the same stuff here. Let me see if I can paste what I just copied from my landing page. Okay. So it says discover how to supercharge your body metabolism using this transformational cheat code. So this is what he's going to send to his email list. And once they click on this place, so get instant access here. This is my call to action button for them. So I'm going to put the link of my landing page here. So what do I do? Once you highlight this point, you click on this link button here. Then I'll go straight to my affiliate page. No, to my landing page rather, because I don't want to send them straight to my affiliate page. I'll come to my landing page. This is the URL of my landing page. That is exactly what I'm going to copy. I'll copy this URL here. Then I'll go back to my solo ad guide. Then this is where I'm going to impute my URL for this. and I'm click OK. So once he sends out this test to his email list, if we paid for 100 visitors or 200 visitors, he's going to send out this to those 200 or 100 people, depending on the number of solo ads we purchase from him. And once they read this, you know, it's saying discover how to supercharge your body metabolism using this transformational cheat code. So whoever that is interested in this, we want to discover how. So, and I'm giving them an option to get an instant access. So once they click down here, it's going to take them straight to my affiliate page here. And again, remember, I've also captured their emails, their email address, and now I can be able to follow them up with subsequent email marketing messages that will provide more value about this product. Then they'll also educate them more on why they need to get this product, and also share some other forms of testimonials from other people that have also used the product. So this is a way of trying to build them up so that if they didn't buy the very first time they come down to our sales page, subsequently our email marketing could be able to convince them so that they will come back and pick up and purchase this product. And this is how we make money using Udimi traffic, which is also a paid traffic. So just like I rightfully said, once they opt in into our funnel, then our email marketing automation process will now kick in. And if you want to learn how to create your own opt-in page and automate your email marketing, then you will need to sign up to this particular Builder All product using the link I provided below, so that you'll be able to use this particular Builder All tool, you know. And at the moment now, there's a $1 trial. You can try it out using just $1 for 30 days, where you'll be able to access all these tools here. You'll be able to use all the tools here. There's no limitation. You have 100% access to any of the tools here for any of your business needs. Then apart from that, so you also receive lots of trainings on how to use this particular product.